These are some of the features of this Android Auto CarPlay radio. Um, you have your volume, pops up. You can set your volume. You have a home button. On the home button, it switches where you can do CarPlay, Android Auto. You can do phone link. There's your audio output, Bluetooth music, SD card, where you can play from SD card, and there's the rear camera. And you have all your settings where you can change your EQ settings and display settings, control mirroring functions and backup camera and things like that. Here's this phone's Bluetooth and the pairing code. So just find your radio. Just find this unit on your phone, and then you just connect to it, pair with it. There's your phone functions. And here's CarPlay. It's telling you to connect to Bluetooth. Connect to this car kit name in your Bluetooth list. And the same with Android Auto. You're going to connect your Bluetooth the same way. Your phone link, this is where you can mirror your phone at. You can do the CarPlay option by connecting to the Bluetooth, which is pretty much the same thing. Or you can do same for Android Auto. Or you can do the mirroring, which it gives you instructions. You're going to go there's a code to press. For this one, for the Android Auto, there's this scan code. Scan that, and then it'll take you to a link where you can download the app and then enter your Wi-Fi password, and it pops up automatically. I haven't done that at all yet. This again is different for the iPhone. And then here's your audio output, and it tells you where you get to choose where you want your audio to output from. Either you want it originally through Bluetooth, you can do the FM transmitter on your radio. You can run an auxiliary cord into your radio, or you can do all the audio locally from this unit. Has a speaker built into it. Also, you have your Bluetooth music. If you're hooked to Bluetooth, there's a play button, and all the information comes up when your phone is connected. And this one's for the SD card. Since there's none in there, it won't give you any options. And then you have your rear camera, which it is not plugged in, but you can also set this up in your car, hook the rear camera up to somewhere in the back of your car, and you'll be able to look at the back of your car just like dash camera, just like any radio. Then you have your brightness button. You can see, sorry, the brightness changes. So I'm trying to look through the lens and do it at the same time. So you see how that works. And yeah, that's it for most of the options. The only other thing is Bluetooth again. There's your connection, and then you have your settings menu where you have your basic setup, factory reset, EQ, same as most radios. You have your display settings where you can change the brightness, contrast, hue, saturation. All those things are done independently right there. And here you can change your languages, change your time, scrolling up or down. You can change your backgrounds, and you get to see the version. And to upgrade the app, you're going to use that code, and it should take you to a site where you can upgrade. But that's it, guys, for this. Click the link in the description. Ask any questions you have to ask about this radio. You want to know anything else about this Android Auto Apple CarPlay unit, standalone unit upgrade for your car. If you don't have these options in your car, this is an easy upgrade to do. It's inexpensive and it works good. You guys can see screen, and the touch sensitivity is great. But if you have any questions about this unit, anything you want me to cover specifically, just let me know, and I'll do a video on that. And yeah, just make sure you guys, if you like the video, thumbs up, like the video, and don't forget, I have super thanks if you want to donate a little bit to help me out for covering these topics for you guys. But that's it. It's your man A Fix. I'm out.